course, yes. I'm actually going to do that for you, okay?
Promise.
I promise. Oh. Is it because of yesterday?
It's okay, I trust you, don't worry.
Good. I have to. And you know what? I'm actually planning on getting something else, like a house or, a new car. What do you think?
It's cool.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to move in with me, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dang, you really love me, right? Come on, bring it in.
Hi. Hello.
Wow, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
I like your skin color.
Thank you.
Is that your boyfriend?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I wonder why he would cheat on such a beautiful girl like
What?
you with me.
Wait, cheat.
No.
Wait. Cheat.
I don't know her from anywhere. Come on.
Wait, hold on. Let her talk, please.
You remember you called him last night and he was like, he's
Yes,
with his
yesterday.
boys. Yeah. Guess where he was? He was with me.
How could you do this to me?
I don't even know her.
Shut up!
Really? No. You're not going to do it for the second time, okay? Can you just listen to me? No, listen. I don't even know her from anywhere. Trust me, I don't even know her. We are not. Come on. Yo. No. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do. I don't even know her from anywhere.
Listen.
See, you can call the boys and ask them. I was with them the whole night. Come on. I don't even know her. Where the hell is she even from? Yo! Oh, so you're not.